My dear children, I welcome you all to the math class. So, today we will continue with chapter 1, Where to Look From. In yesterday's class, we did page number 5 and 6. Okay, so let us see what we are going to do in today's class. So, in today's class, we will do page number 7, Tit for Tat. Okay, we will listen to the short story of Amina and a painter. So based on that story only, we will do the given tasks. We will do the given exercises. So let us proceed to our class, children.
So children, as I have already mentioned that we are doing page number 7 today, okay? So write today's date. Today's date you will write here. Today's date is 13th of April 2021 and you will write classwork here. Don't forget to write date and classwork, okay? So let us read the story Tit for Tat. The story is about Amina and a painter. I have told you, Amina and a painter. One day Amina met a painter. So Amina met a painter one day and Amina said, "Can you make my picture?" So painter, when Amina asked to make a picture of her to painter said, "Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it." Okay, so Amina here is asking to make a picture of her to the painter. So Amina said, "Yes, I charge 200 for it." After a while, the painter showed her the picture. "Amina, how do you like it?" See, painter is showing the picture of Amina, which is only half of Amina's picture, half of Amina's body, right? So Amina is telling, you can see it is only half, but this is only half. Amina is sad now. Amina told painter that the painting is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. So the painter said that the other half is exactly same. Okay, you just need to, you see, Amina is placing a picture on the mirror on the picture, and the other half is looking, the picture is now complete. Yes, so painter is saying that other half is exactly same, so you just need to put the mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money? Now painter is asking Amina for money. Amina gave him 100 rupee note. So Amina gave painter 100 rupee note. Painter, do you remember? Painter had asked for 200 rupees, yes, but Amina gave him only 100 rupees. But this is only half the money. So when painter got 100 rupees, he said that the money is only half of the money which he had asked. So Amina is now telling to painter, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Haha. So Amina is quite a smart girl. Yes, she answered painter very smartly that it is only the half of the money, like you made my picture only half and you told me to just put a mirror inside of my picture to make it complete one. So you also do the same. You also put a mirror next to the note and you will get the full money. So saying this, Amina laughed. Haha. So children, did you enjoy the story of Amina and the painter? Yes? Yes, from here we can learn about mirror half. Okay, that means if you have some half of the portion and if you place a mirror, the other image formed on the mirror is exactly same to the image of the original picture. Okay, so this type of picture is known as the mirror half, where the picture is exactly, the half is exactly same to the other half. So let us do the exercise from this story. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only half of the thing. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. So you have to place a mirror and you have to draw the other half of the picture. Okay, so children, you can see that I have placed a mirror. I don't have a small mirror, okay, so I have placed a large mirror which I have kept a little bit aside. You can see the image formed in the mirror here. Yes, it is exactly same with this image and the full star. Yes, the image formed in the mirror here is the same here. So we have to complete using this image. That means the one which is in the left side in complete image, we will draw same on the right side. You will also, if you have small mirror, it will be easier for you. Okay, so you also try the same thing when you are watching this video. So now let us try to complete the full image. So here, what do you think what it is? Yes, it is a butterfly. So I am drawing the mirror image of butterfly. So I have to draw the image exactly like it is in the picture on the left side, right? So I'm drawing the image exactly like it is on the left side. So you will also draw the image like this. Okay, my drawing is not so good, but you can draw better than me. Even you can draw better than me. Okay, but the image should be exactly same like the left side. This is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. So in this way we are forming the mirror image. Let us complete our star here to here to here, here, then after here and here. Now outer line we will complete. So in this way I have completed the star. So you will complete this figure, the figure of the fish, this is Dia obviously, and the figure of the tiger. Okay, these three you will do it by yourself. So children, now the next question is that can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? Can we repeat? No, because if we, it has a head here and tail here. Yes, so if we cut the picture into half of the portion and if we place the image mirror here, this head should be here. Yes, in the mirror image. So we can't form a mirror image, so you have to cross the picture. So here also the handle of the cup is on one side, and here there is no handle of the cup. Yes, so here also we can't make the mirror image. So in this drawing also we can't form the mirror image, so you will simply write no. Okay, so if you ask the painter to draw the things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. So if you ask painter to draw some picture which he can't divide into mirror halves, yes, so he can't play the trick. Now you need to draw three more such things, like we have here it's given, yes, three things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves. Yes, and here you have to draw three such things which cannot be divided into mirror halves. So the image I am drawing here is the image of the fish. Yes, image of the fish. So children, you know that if we make the half portion of the fish only, the mirror image cannot be formed. Yes, mirror image means the image on both the sides should be same. So for fish, mirror image cannot be formed, right? So next to image you will draw by yourself. Okay, you have to keep the thing in the mind that the image which you are drawing shouldn't form similar mirror halves. Okay, so we are stopping our class here children till page number 8. Okay, in the next class we will be starting with page number 9. Hope you all understood the sums, the exercise which we have done today, right? Okay, thank you children. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep washing your hands.